Hey, this is JC. Welcome to Urban Life Guy, where we explore the urban lifestyle and jungle survival. Today, we're going to have a look at the Tactical Geek Storage A5 EDC pouch set. First, if you watch this channel regularly but have not subscribed, please do so to help the channel out. And if you'd like to support the channel even more, do check out my shop links in the pinned comment or description below. You can even join as a channel member for exclusive content. Thanks a lot. A big shout out to Tactical Geek for sending this to me. Now, they make quality pouches and sling bags. I've got quite a few of their products, and this is a new one. It's a 3-set EDC pouch. That's right, I have the one which is white, but this is actually a plastic transparent material, so it looks like a mesh material, and on the back it's black. This is 500D nylon. There are loops, a bit like a Molly system, but this is basically just 1-inch Velcro. So it comes in many different colors. You got black, solid black, you have shades of green, you've got pink, orange and purple, so I'm sure there's something that would fit your fancy. Now the price on this is about $22 US, and you get a 3-set pouch. So the biggest one is the A5 set, and then you have a smaller one, and then you have an even smaller one, like a set of Russian dolls. Now, of course, when you use them in real life, you won't nest them together. You can use them separately, or you can just use one of them. I think this is great for travel, camping, where you need to pack in a sack and sack system, or you want different items separated and just neatly packed. This goes well as a set, and of course you can use them individually as well. Let's go through the sizes first. So this is about 6 inches by 4 inches, and the rest just go down about 1 inch. So this is 5 inches or 5.1 inches by 3.1. This is 4.1 by 2.2. So it's an approximate size, but it's thereabouts. Our small to medium hands, you can see small one really just fits in my palm. If you have larger hands, this would just be slightly larger than your hand, I think. And you could probably fit a deck of playing cards in here. And then you get the different sizes. So in terms of material, as usual, Tactical Geek makes, I think quality products. Stitching is great, fit and finish is nice, and they're just not functional. They are also really nicely made, and they are aesthetically pleasing. And I think that's the thing about Tactical Geek. To me, what separates them from other companies who make pouches and bags, now everyone is functional, they all can be made with great quality, good fit and finish, but I think the design does make a difference for Tactical Geek. They have this ability to create really functional pieces, but with an aesthetic which I find very modern, or at least it fits my taste. Now I'll give you an example of one of their pouches that I have here. So this is a sling bag. I have reviewed this before. You can check it out in the link in the card above or description below. So I won't go into too much detail, but you can see, just the various pouches over here, the kind of straps, and just aesthetically, in terms of the material choices and the design, they just go together for a very modern look. And coming back to the A5 set, see there's Velcro behind, so you could actually use this as an external pouch like that. So that also complements the overall design, gives it more dimension and makes it more interesting. On the other hand, a lot of the Tactical Geek pouches come with a larger compartment, and on the inside there's Velcro friendly material. See, I have an inner pouch here, and that just sticks on the Velcro. This is all nylon, so if I wanted, I could take this one and I could put it inside like that, and that sits in place. I could take even a smaller one, another one like that, and put that in place, and now I have kind of a sack and sack system, but even more organized because it's held in place. So even if I've got other items inside, for example this, if I had a knife, all that could fit inside and not get jumbled up with other things. So that's just nice to have. And for functionality, if let's say you get coins, if this was a coin pouch, to take it out, you don't have to try to open this up and fit around for coins. Just pull that off, get your coins, use them, put them back, and there you have it. So that's a very practical way of using this set. But just as a set by itself, even if you don't use it with a larger pouch, this just works well individually or as a set. Now, as mentioned, I think you could keep different items inside and then put it in a larger bag or a pouch. And especially if you're traveling, I think this just makes it a bit more convenient. And of course, if you use up your items, you can store them into each other to take up less space. So just another good practical product which is aesthetically pleasing from Tactical Geek. But what do you think of this product? Do you own it? Do you own any Tactical Geek products? Do you agree with me when I talk about the design and fashion really having an edge over just the functional use? Do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like the content in general, please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.